Well, we've had another ribbon cutting in downtown Wetumpka, the Company Street Mercantile. It's a modern day general store.
Mayor Willis?
Thank you. It's good to be here. It's always exciting when you get to cut a new ribbon for a new business coming in, and we're excited about what's happening in downtown. And I came in the other day and visited the store, and when Bella Canvas had announced that they were coming here with their plant, and so she shared with me that she's already carrying that line, and I was able to talk about that. But it's exciting in Wetumpka right now. I've been here a long time, and I've been doing this mayor thing for about 14 years, and we dreamed at one time that we could do this, that we would get here, and now it's happening, and it's exciting, and it's because of people like you that have come into Wetumpka and bought into this, and we're making it happen. So we're very encouraged, and I shared the other day at the chamber luncheon that I wish I could tell you today what's about to happen, but I signed more of these non-disclosures that, Mr. Willis, we're going to tell you about this, but you can't talk about it. They don't need to do that to me. Because I want to tell you what's happening in Wetumpka, and the next few weeks we'll be making those announcements, and I think you're going to be very, very happy. But I came in this store, I came here about 60 some odd years ago, and this was a hardware store. This was Thornhill Hardware. And they had a warehouse over here where the alley is. That's where they kept the lumber and concrete and supplies and all. They also sold dynamite in here. And I don't know if Texas to keep it in that safe. But it was a place where you would come to get dynamite if you wanted to blow something up. You can't buy dynamite in Wetumpka anymore. But we're happy for that. But it's just so encouraging and I want to thank you for making the investment in Wetumpka and deciding to be a part of this, because it'll work long after me and this old man over here are gone. And this is the father of Scott, and this is his daughter-in-law, and I saw some grandchildren over here. Watch this little fella right here. He will charm you. Watch him. But it's a good day in Wetumpka, and we're glad to be here, and we'll go cut this ribbon.
Yes, sir.
Are we close?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. No, I think it's